think you're nice, man? Hold on the 4 by pulse. Shelly no Askel. Run up, I'm not talking thing.
Me nah stop trying until me get that flying. Me nah stop trying. You want me satisfied.
Welcome to Lion TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Blessed love and greatest my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens. Lion and Lioness, speak up on yourself. Welcome to Lion TV. You know the man of peace. We say give thanks to life. Blessed Friday. Yes, man, payday. Shout out to the people who are doing them hard work. You know, whether you're clean people house, you look after old people, whatever you're doing to earn your honest bread and pay your bills and feed the family. Big up on yourself. Yeah, man, is it? And big up the hustlers them out there to make sure not make use of the money, because you never know when judgment are gonna strike. Is it? Yes, we're with Sean Kingston right now. Yeah, man, don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. Is it, my viewers and subscribers? Yeah, man. So I don't know. We're there. Another update with Sean Kingston. I'm say no look good. It no look good.
Shut a fire, I no laughing thing. Time up, loan garbing thing. Shot, boss boy shoot like a sardine thing.
Yes, man, big up yourself for Real Askel45. That's a brand new song from Real Askel45. Run Up, produced by Team Flexi Promotions. Yeah, so that I got chip in and out, and we're gonna talk about Sean Kingston and him waive his rights for to be extradited back to Florida. And I mean, man, him mother in one piece of casa for fraud. Yeah, see it. I said, John, no star, my viewers and subscribers. But anyway, big up on yourself. Don't forget to like and share the content and subscribe and click the bell. Quick intermission, and we'll forward back again.
Lion Foot.
Lion Foot.
Yo, Lion Foot.
Lion Foot.
Now Lion Foot TV.
Lion Foot TV to the fullest.
Lion Foot.
Best of the man self in a Lion Foot.
Lion Foot.
Lion Foot.
Lion Foot. Lion Foot.
Lion Foot to the world.
Lion Foot TV.
Oh, Lion Foot.
Lion Foot.
Lion Foot TV.
Big up Lion Foot TV.
Lion Foot. Lion Foot, you're so great. Cause you're blessed by the Most High.
Yes, man, a peace and love will say, honesty are the best policy, Yeah, man, big up everybody who give Lion Foot a shout out. You see me? Yeah, man. So as you can see on the screen, rapper Sean Kingston agrees to return to Florida. So he waived his rights to return back, get extradited back to Florida. The police them put out a wanted list for him, and then them arrest his mother. You see me? So go run through a quick piece of the article, and then give my little piece and opinions about it,
Run up, I'm not talking thing. Shut a fire, I'm not laughing thing. Time up, loan garbing thing. Shot, boss boy shoot like a sardine thing.
Rapper and singer Sean Kingston on Tuesday waived his right to fight extradition in a California court and agreed to be turned over to authorities in Florida, where he and his mother are charged with committing more than $1 million worth of fraud. Kingston, 34, did not make a public court appearance but signed papers agreeing to skip extradition hearings. Representatives from San Bernardino courts and sheriff told the Associated Press. So basically, when I say Sean Kingston, he didn't appear in court, but he signed the papers to be extradited back, to Florida to face his charges, his judgment. Boy, I tell you, star, 34 years old, Sean Kingston. You're so beautiful, girl. His life changed from that moment. From them time, I was following his journey. See where, he wrote the song and was reaching out, kept reaching out to people. Some now respond, and one person eventually responded to him because he kept messaging the person. Zine, and the person responded to him, and the song became history, changed his life. Zine, years, months upon years. So all this, well, should I say, these are alleged allegations. But it seems to be real because more people coming out say he took their jewelry and didn't pay for it. We see other jewelry store owners say him do the same thing. And well, I don't know, but this is not a good look on the Kingston family, especially mommy, Mama Kingston and Sean Kingston. them say he use Justin Bieber name to the fraud as well. You see it, but not a good look, and that's very embarrassing and derailing. Yeah, man, as an artist, you know, that's very embarrassing. If you know, so your name a circulate around fraud and scamming, you know what I mean? Helicopter and them things, there are bigger things are going on, big things are going on. Where we might think like a small thing, but are big things. You see, my viewers and subscribers, yeah, man, but you know, Sean Kingston should have been, you know, he must have some money locked away and well secure financially. But if you're secure financially, why you make your name surround and circulate all these things? You know, you're supposed to be seen as a professional singer, you know, maybe a businessman with a lot of respect. You don't want nobody to put nothing foul thing by your name, you see me? And you know, to me personally, it's not a good look. You see it? So he might go back to Florida to face his charge. You know, they have been charged for over $1 million for fraud. You see me? I say? And it's not necessarily say money fraud, just accessories, things where them take from people and refuse to pay or use false documents and them things there. You see me? Yeah, man. John was time. I tell you, my viewers and subscribers, the world not easy, you know. Now for sure, you say not all glitters are gold, you know. Enough of the artists them where you say a pop style and a big chain and rings and flashy cars and them don't really have it. I regularly hear people tell them things that them just put on a show, you know. Did you know that you can rent clothes, you can rent jewelry, and you can even, well, not even care about jewelry. You know, you can rent jewelry and clothes and them things just for a video shoot or for modeling. Yeah, enough for the artists, the rappers them are very good at that. The rappers them, the American rappers them are very good at that. And enough dancehall artists to a reggae artists I put on a front, but them not really financially, them not really have it like that. Them just put on the style, you know. You see me as a image, yeah. But I don't know when you make money. Make use of it, invest, open businesses, and become a businessman because music might not last, you know, you never know. As I say, every man have them 3 o'clock, then 5 o'clock, then 10 o'clock. Yes, it. Yeah, man, so that's just a quick update on Sean Kingston and his mother. So hopefully we're waiting to hear further on the outcome and the situation. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Tell if I see them, me never scare. Cap a bus and me sell like a hot beer. Burn a jump like frog in the square. No left him a tick anytime, anywhere.
Run up. Yeah, man, so this is a brand new single from real Askel45. Yeah, man, Run Up. Yeah, man, if you don't check it out yet, please go and check it out.
Watch your word when you speak. Watch your word from your beat. Tough talk, narrow the street. 6 in a face, put you under concrete. Run up.
Yes, man, you saw the artist a flow up on the rhythm. Watch your word from your speech. Watch your word from your beak. Tough talk around the street. 6 in a face, put you under concrete. Run up. Yeah, man, so you don't know at the end of the vlog, you have to know my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. And you don't know, stay tuned for the next one. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Lion4 TV. Yeah, see me? Yeah, man, and please to check out my new single. Nah, Stop Try. See it? Blessed.
Nah, stop trying. Fly low, fly high. Nah, stop trying. Until the day I die.
Yeah, man. Words of inspiration coming from I and I am Maric, you know.